Hi Michael, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to business. So by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to cover is it's a content. So you want to make sure you have 1500 words and even more. And because Google loves content also, or you have the right keywords and the pictures also being saved in a correct way. So as we see here, let me check it out. Save this mess. See, this is what, except of this one, if you put some keyword here, it would help you. So the second thing I want to talk about is a citation. Citation, if you come here, you're gonna see this Mac pack. So what is a citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within there would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition directory listing and seeing what they are currently being listed in, and you want to try to go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you just don't want to stop or whatever they have. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this page down here. And as you see, we can see here Yelp, and we can see here your expertise, we can see home advisors. So right there, so these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. Where backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal, and for example, backlink from Pizza Hut is not gonna do as much good for you as, for example, another plumbing company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking of one of these my tools here, this is it's called Arefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. So as I see here, you have 77 referring domains. That brings you 591 backlinks, and you're getting fined for 415 keywords, and out of those keywords you have 294 organic traffic. Just to compare with another company, see they have 116 referring domains. That brings them more than 3,000 backlinks, and getting found from more than 26,000 keywords. And out of those keywords, they're getting more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in that. And this is pretty much it for today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. And thanks again, and have a great day.